Are you bored with the messy Windows context menu? Today, I'll show you how to disable unnecessary options from the context menu. There are two ways to do this. One is disabling unwanted options via Registry Editor. Another is using third-party software EcMenu. Without further ado, let's get started. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and hit OK to open the Registry Editor. Navigate to the corresponding path shown on the screen. Create a new string key and name it Legacy Disable. If you want to enable it later, just delete the newly created key. Additionally, you can adjust menu options at other locations by referring to the article displayed on the screen. A bit complex? Don't worry, there's an easier way to complete this action. Download the EcMenu compressed file from the website. Extract it to your computer. Launch the EcMenu software. Select the Context Menu Cleaner option. Locate the menu option you want to disable. Click the Disable button to disable it. Similarly, clicking the Enable button will enable it. Bonus: if you're annoyed by invalid registry entries, iSunShare System Genius can help. Launch it. Select the registry feature from the left panel. Click the Scan button to start. Click the Clean button to remove invalid registry items at once. That's all for today's video. Have a good day. See you in the next video.